went to go see Twilight with ColourPop last night, and this was the look I created. So I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer because it's just one of my favorites. It's so good. Then I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario foundation. I'm in the shade 9W, just in case you're wondering. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. I actually like it. I didn't really put much brow product on my brows because my bangs cover either way. Going in with the Huda Beauty color corrector and then the concealer. It is actually one of my favorites. I love this concealer so much. It really doesn't crease under my eye as much as others do, and it's full coverage. I'm going in with the beauty blender to just take off some product. Then with my Milk Makeup bronzer stick. It is my favorite, really easy to blend. Then after that, I'm going in with my About Face cream. This is my favorite shade. It's like so red, but I like to go in with a lot because either way, when I put the setting powder from Huda Beauty, it kind of goes away a little bit. And with a highlighter from Half Magic Beauty. Then going with this Half Magic Beauty chrome paints, which I actually really like. They also have this glitter one that's really cute. I love it. It's really easy to use. Then going in with my lip combo, I'm using the e.l.f. new lip liners. They're like $2. And the Kaleidos lip gloss, this Cali Ray setting spray, and this is the look. I love the way it came out. It's really giving Twilight vibes. Love it so much. What do you guys think?